kinda crazy, the kinds of things life
One eternity later.
throws at you. I never knew I'd feel so safe in your arms. Now you're all I need. It wasn't long before I knew that I fell for you and you had my heart. As fast as the seasons changed, my heart was stolen. Parts of me that were broken found love. And no amount of distance can change how I'm feeling, 'cause I know this is real. I'm so happy that you're mine. Nothing in this world can make me feel the way that you do. Feels like I'm dancing on moonlight. Of all the stars at night, none of them can shine as bright as you do. They can't compare to your light. Thousands of miles between, still couldn't stop us. Just the thought of your love was enough. It's hard to imagine life without you in it. Even if at a distance, I'm still happier. Baby, won't you listen when you feel you're missing me? Let this be a little lullaby, help you fall asleep at night. When I see you smile, I'm unafraid to grow up, 'cause with you the
2 hours
future
later.
seems so
Kakauwi lang namin galing sa MOA. So, ito yung mga nabili ko. Bili ako sa Burger King ng iced coffee. Ito, guys. Mas masarap siya. Compare dun sa sauce na natikman ko, mas masarap tong ice salted ng Burger King. Tapos binili ko lang si Jeff ng triple mocha. Yeah, you have bread. So, ito yung nabili ko sa Pop Mart. Parang ganito siya. Ilalagay ko to kasi sa camera. Ito yung ano pajama party na pop bean. Bumili ako sa Komori ng coffee ban ni Jeff. Ayan parang ang sarap. Dalawa na coffee ban at tomato bread para kay Phoenix. Bumili lang ako sa Starbucks ng syrup. Ito yung syrup. And then, sa Auntie Anne's, bumili kami ng pretzel kasi buy one take one. So, ito lang yung almond. Ayan, bali 4 to kasi dalawang order yung binili ko. So, ito guys, yung nabili ko sa Canon. Ito yung camera V1. So, ito na siya guys.
V1, Mama?
It's a camera, baby. Yung resibo, bili ako ng pang charger para kahit na low-bat siya, matcha-charge ko. Ang another battery, tripod grip. Dati siyang 5,998. So, yun yung parang pinaka-promo niya. Nakikita niyo ba ako guys? Kasi ang init. Makukuha mo na lang siya ng 2,000 pesos. Ayan. 2,000 na lang siya kapag nag-pre-order ka nitong V1. Ang ganda. Alam nyo ba na i-release pa lang to sa May kasi until now, April 26, naka-pre-order pa siya.
Okay. Not.
So, ito guys, yung mga manual. Ito na yung pinaka-camera. Wow! So, ayan siya. Ito yung extra battery. Tapos, meron tayo ditong strap ng camera. And then, meron din tayong windscreen. Ito na yung pinaka-camera. So, yun na siya guys. Wala nang laman yung pinaka-box. Ayan. Grabe ang bigat niya, ha. Ayan na yung camera. Ang bigat niya. Medyo mabigat siya. May kabigatan siya. Yung built niya, talagang purong-puro, hindi plastic. So, meron siyang flip screen. Ang ganda. Kung meron kayo ng Sony CV1, kasi yun yung parang option ko din, CV1 na Mark II. Yung built niya for 50,000 na. Kasi 50,000 yun guys sa Sony, tsaka sa Henry's. Yung built niya, alam mo yung parang, alam mo talaga mafe-feel mo na plastic siya.
Wow,
Sobrang-
mommy.
yeah.
Nice camera, mommy.
Yeah, it's a nice camera, baby. Wide camera niya talaga. Kasi, ayan, nakaganyan lang sa akin, ha. Tayo, makita pa rin niya yung background ko. And ito yung battery charger niya.
Wow.
Separate mo siyang bibilin, guys. So, lahat, na wala siyang kasamang charger or any USB Type-C na pwedeng i-charge. So, lahat talaga bibilin mo dito sa camera na to. So, bumili na ako nito. Pwede naman siyang i-charge ng USB-C. Kaso, ayun na nga. Ayan. I-charge na natin siya. Tapos, ito naman, ayan. Ito yung extra battery. Ganyan din siya.
Mommy.
Tapos, for the tripod naman, ito siya. Yan, may remote siya, oh. Kasama na Canon na remote. And then, this one is the tripod. Ang daming accessories ng tripod. Tripod. Ayan, nakaganyan siya, oh. Ayan. Doon siya. Ayan yung remote. Iyaan mo. Oh, ang ganda rin, ah. Kaya talaga yung price niya, guys, pang 5,998 pesos talaga. Talagang yung build niya is high quality talaga na tripod.
1 hour later. "2,000 years later."